Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to manually change the time on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in time. Best match should come back with change the date and time right above system settings. You want to left click on that one time. So now if it says set time automatically in the on position, you want to toggle it to the off spot by left clicking inside the oval one time. And then the option to change date and time should be ungrayed out. So you can left click on change right here. Now you can change the date and time to whatever settings you want manually. Left click on change, the effects should be immediate. At that point you can close out of the settings window and go about your business. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.